Good morning, children. Let's continue our science class. Start the class with a prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Oh God, bless all of us so that we may learn the subjects better and do our duties well. Hope all have read the textbook till what is taken. Yes. So, in the last class, hope all have seen the classes and understood till what is taken. So, till last class, what was taken? Adaptation in animals according to their habitat where they are, isn't it? So, that is, they are not living in the same condition, the habitat where they are. Sometimes it will be very cold or sometimes it will be hot. So, according to that, how are the animals able to adapt to that surroundings? That was taken till the last class, in the last class. And also some animals are there able to protect their body themselves because on their body they have some features to protect themselves. So again, here in this class we will learn about the adaptation. You know what is adaptation? The way they can adjust to the surrounding. Now we are going to see how are they able to adaptation of animals according to their food habits. What are the features of the animals? So we are dividing the animals according to their food habits into three types. So there are animals, some animals are there which eat only plants. Yes. Then there are some animals which eat only animals, the flesh of the other animals. And there are some animals which eat both plants and animals. So animals in which they eat only plants, what are the features in them? How are they able to do it? So that is what we are going to see. So first we will divide the animals according to the food habits. It is divided into three animals according to the food they eat. So the animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Herbivores. Then which eat only the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Okay. And the animals eat both plants and animals are called the omnivores. Omnivores. So, the first one, herbivores. Herb means the plants. Plants. And the word means word, V-O-R-E-S. Word means eat. So, plant eating animals. So, herbivores means the plant eating animals. So, can you give some examples for the plant eating animals, herbivorous animals? So, the animals which eat the plants, they are called the herbivorous animals, or you can tell them herbivores. Yes, cow, elephant, giraffe, yes, buffaloes, goat. These are some of the examples for the herbivorous animals. Deer, isn't it? So how are they able to eat the plants? What are the features in them? That is what we are going to see. And it is said that they have sharp incisors. You know, there are types of teeth you have learned. There are 4 types of teeth. Incisors, the front teeth, side 2 sharp teeth, that is the canines. Back we have the premolars and molars. So it is said that in the herbivorous animals they have sharp incisors. The front teeth, sharp incisors, so that they can tear the plants and eat it. Okay, that is, the incisors have wide jaws and sharp incisors to bite. Their jaws are very wide. Then they have sharp incisors to bite and chew the food using their molars and premolars to grind the food. Yes. Then elephants. Have you seen the elephant? Yes, everybody has seen the elephant. What specialty of the elephant from the other animals? Something else is there for it. What is it? Yeah, a long trunk, tumbikai. Yes, which enable them to hold the branches of the trees, to take the branches of the trees and eat it. All those. So pick up the food and put it in their mouth. Yes, they'll be able to using that. They'll take it and have the food. Then another one, giraffe. What's the feature of the giraffe? They have a long neck, so that from the tall trees they are able to pick up the fruits or whatever the plants, leaves and all. They can pick up from the tall trees and all. So these are the features of the herbivorous animals. So they have sharp incisors. They have molars and premolars to grind the food, and in some animals like elephant they have the trunk And also for giraffe, the long neck, which help them to pick up the pluck the leaves from the tall trees. Yes. So that is about the herbivores, plant eating animals. Now carnivores. Carnivores means flesh. Carni, then vorous means eating. So carnivorous animals, flesh eating animals. They are tiger, yes, again, lion, cheetah, leopard, all those are flesh eating. They hunt the other animals and they will make their food. Yes. So what will be their teeth? How will be their teeth? Yes, they'll be having sharp pointed. Which type of teeth will be sharp pointed? Canines. They need to tear the flesh, isn't it? So they'll be having sharp pointed canines. Yes, and also they have claws, sharp claws to hold, to tear it. So they have sharp claws. So that is the specialty of the carnivores. Yes, so that is about the carnivores. Carni means flesh and vorous mean eat. Then comes the omnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals, that omni means both. That is, both plants and animals they will eat. So we are coming under the omnivorous. We eat both plants and animals. Among us also there are some vegetarians, but most of us are human beings. Then bear. Bear is a omnivorous animal. Then cat. It is an omnivorous animal. So there are many like that. Squirrels, crows, all those are omnivorous animals. And they are having sharp teeth for eating both the plants. And so they have sharp teeth for both. They are eating both plants and animals. So we need all the teeth here. Yes, incisors we have, canines are there. So all those teeth will be sharp and strong to eat both plants and animals. So they have also birds. They have sharp beaks and claws for this part. Yes. So these are the, according to the food habits of the animals, they divide into three: herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals, and the omnivorous animals. Yes. So that is our chapter, and the last one is now how to take care of the animals. Animals are very important. We need the animals. So how to take care of the animals are given. So that is given on page number 26. So what is the first one? Most of the animals, they live under the trees. Some are living on the trees. So one main thing is what we shouldn't cut down the trees unnecessarily. Trees should not be cut because they are needed. Then hunting of the animals, it should be reduced. That is another way. Don't kill the animals unnecessarily. Don't hunt for the animals' skin. There were many things to take the skin of the tiger. That is very valuable, very expensive. So for all those purposes it was taken. So it shouldn't be done. Killing animals is now it is very offensive. Very offensive. Okay. So that and all we have to take care. So don't kill the animals and do not cut the trees. These are all some of the things how we can take care of our animals. So our chapter is over. This is our chapter. So notes will be given. Notes are given. Okay. So please go through the chapter once more. Read the chapter from the beginning onwards. Nicely you have to go through the chapter Adaptation Animals. Yes, and in your live class, I'll be taking a reading test. I'll be asking you the questions out of this and also the reading of this chapter. But don't simply go out of this. Don't simply just skip the videos and see. The work I'm not giving today according to the notes given. So according to that, your marks will be given for you in this week. Understood? The notes will be given. So the notes are given now. So according to that, the marks will be given. But in the live class, I'll be asking you to read the chapter and also an oral test will be conducted. Okay? Thank you, children.